Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Roshan from Trinity International School. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be learning chapter 1, Nouns. Chapter 1, Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea or emotion. In short, it is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea or emotions. In short, it is a naming word. So let's take an example. Person. Person means name of a girl or a boy. I'll take here example Sharon. Place. School. Name of the person Sharon, that is person. Place we have taken for example school. Animal. Dog. Thing. You can take a board. सो आइडियाज़ बेसिकली जो आपके माइंड में आती है, आइडियाज़ को हम नहीं देख सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इमोशंस. सो व्हाट आर इमोशंस? इमोशंस लाइक सैड, हैप्पी, those are emotions. So here the person is Sharon, place is school, animal is dog, thing is board, idea emotions are like sad and happy. So what the definition is for this is name. So definition for noun is the name of a person, place, thing and idea. Person में हमने क्या एग्जाम्पल लिया था? Sharon. It could be your name also, like कविता, रोशन, रूबी, विवेक. प्लेस में हमने क्या लिया था? फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कूल. वी कैन इवन टेक प्ले ग्राउंड, या फिर आपका होम भी हो सकता है. थिंग मतलब कोई भी चीज़ जो आपके आस पड़ोस में जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? थिंग्स. सो दे ऑल कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ थिंग. एंड आइडिया, वो आइडियाज़ कहाँ आते? आपके माइंड में. माइंड में जो भी आइडियाज़ है वो कैसे हमें दिखाई नहीं देते, उसका कोई नाम होता है, जैसे कि इमोशंस. इमोशन. सो इमोशंस आपके हमारे माइंड में आते, लाइक सैड, हैप्पी. ऐसे और भी इमोशंस होते लाइक जॉय. तो इन्हें भी कोई नाम होता है, इसीलिए हम इन्हें भी क्या कहेंगे? नाउन. सो दैट मीन्स all naming words are noun. So we can say naming words is equal to nouns. Wherever you will find any name in sentence, these are nouns. सो अभी हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कुछ सेंटेंसेस. उसमें हमें आपको क्या करना है? नाउन्स को अंडरलाइन करना है. अभी आपको क्या करना है? द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आई हैव गिवन हियर फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल. अभी आपको नाउन का जो डेफिनेशन है वो याद रखना है कि नाउन्स किस किस को कहते हैं. So name of person, places, things, ideas. So कोई पर्सन है यहाँ पे या सेंटेंस में? कैन यू सी एनी पर्सन इन दिस सेंटेंस? द प्रिंसेस हैड अ हॉरिबल ड्रीम. यहाँ पे कोई पर्सन है? यस, प्रिंसेस. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रीम. ड्रीम बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो नाउन, क्योंकि ये हमारे माइंड में आता है. दैट इज ऑल्सो एन आइडिया. इट कम्स इन कैटेगरी ऑफ आइडिया. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, जो चीज़ें हम देख तो नहीं सकते लेकिन हमारे माइंड में आती है, सो उसका भी कोई नाम होता है, राइट? सो ड्रीम इज एन आइडिया. नाउ विल गो टू सेकेंड सेंटेंस. आई लेफ्ट माई लंच बॉक्स इन स्कूल. In the second sentence, which naming word is noun? कौन सा word है जो noun है? So here it is lunch box. This is noun. Why it is noun? Because lunch box comes in category of things. It comes in the category of things. And next is school. This school comes in a category of place. School comes in a category of place. So lunchbox and school is noun. So this is third sentence. I have a pet dog. Now you will be clear, क्योंकि हमने एग्जाम्पल में भी डॉग लिया था. डॉग क्यों लिया था? बिकॉज इट कम्स इन कैटेगरी ऑफ एनिमल. इसीलिए डॉग क्या है? एक नाउन है, एक नेमिंग वर्ड है. सो नाउ विल गो टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. सो व्हाट इज कॉमन नाउन्स? कॉमन नाउन्स आर द जनरल नेम्स ऑफ पीपल, places or things of the same kind. They do not refer to particular people, places or things. They usually begin with a small letter. So ये जो चीज़ें हैं कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को रेफ़र नहीं करती है, इसीलिए हमेशा कॉमन नाउन्स जो है स्मॉल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. लाइक स्कूल, ट्रेन, गार्डनर, toy, box, picture. You can see here they have started, it is starting from small letter. Next is proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of a particular people, places or things. They always begin with a capital letter. What is proper noun? It is a name of a particular people. किसी का पर्टिकुलरली नाम होता है, लाइक रहीम, या फिर किसी जगह का नाम होता है, या फिर किसी वस्तु का नाम होता है. दैट इज़ बिकॉज ये हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. वो किसी चीज़ को दर्शाता है, या पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं, या पर्टिकुलर जगह के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं, सो वी यूज़ capital letter for those kind of word. So it is proper nouns. Next is question number A. So here they have asked us, underline the nouns in the following sentences with CN above common noun and PN above proper noun. So first is Munshi Premchand was a great writer. So here Munshi Premchand is proper noun. So you have to write PN on top of the Munshi Premchand was a great writer. Writer is a common noun. So you have to write CN. He wrote many books in Hindi. Books is common noun and in Hindi is proper noun. One of his famous books in Godan. Books is common noun, Godan is proper noun. His books are generally set in the villages of northern India. So again, books is common noun, villages is common noun, and India is proper noun because these words are starting with small letters. So those are common nouns. ये वस्तु का नाम है, ये जगह का नाम है. So it is common noun. लेकिन this is also जगह का नाम, place. This is also place. इंडिया, हम क्या कहते हैं, हम इंडिया में रहते हैं, राइट. लेकिन ये किसी जगह को दर्शाता है, इसीलिए इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ कैपिटल लेटर, सो इट्स प्रॉपर नाउन. हिज बुक्स हैव बीन ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू many languages. Books common noun, languages is also common noun. Godan is available in Urdu, Hindi and English. So Godan again proper noun, Urdu proper noun, Hindi proper noun, English again proper noun. You can see here all these four of the words are proper noun. Why? Because it is starting from capital letter and ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है, किसी चीज़ को दर्शा रही है, राइट. तो ये कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. गोदान, उर्दू, हिंदी, इंग्लिश. सो दोज आर प्रॉपर नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज सेशन बी. The words in each of the following rows are specific examples of a larger group. Write the names of the groups they belong to. Yellow, orange, blue. For example, they have given yellow, orange, blue. So, in which group they belong to? What they have asked? Write the names of the groups they belong to. So ये येलो, ऑरेंज, ब्लू ये कौन से ग्रुप में बिलोंग करता है? कलर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे हैव गिवन कलर्स. हम एक साथ तो अगर हम बोलेंगे येलो, ऑरेंज, ब्लू, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट आर दोज? क्या है वो? कलर्स. तो वैसे ही आगे हमें जो दिया है, तो कौन से ग्रुप में वो लोग बिलोंग करते हैं, हमें वो लिखना है. पीकॉक, वुड पीकर, ईगल, ये सारे क्या है? बर्ड्स. इनका एक कॉमन नेम क्या है? बर्ड्स. सो यू विल राइट हियर बर्ड्स, BIRDS, बर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट इज फुटबॉल, हॉकी, बैडमिंटन. व्हाट आर दोज? इनका एक ग्रुप क्या है? कौन से ग्रुप में ये लोग बिलोंग करते हैं? सो आंसर इज गेम्स, GAMES, गेम्स. टी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, कॉफ़ी, इनका कौन सा एक ग्रुप है? इट बिलोंग्स टू बेवरेजेस, BEVERAGES, बेवरेजेस. नेक्स्ट इज गैंग्स, यमुना, तप्ती. So this is Ganges, Yamuna, Tapti. So in which category it belongs? It belongs in category of rivers, RIVERS. Table, chair, bed. This is furniture, FURNITURE, furniture. Tokyo, Mumbai, Los Angeles. Those are cities, CITIES, cities. Mango, banana, watermelon. Those are fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are days of week. Pen, pencil, notebook. Those are stationery. 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 Next is read the descriptions given below. Choose from the box a name that matches each description and write it in the given space. So they have given the names in the box and we have to write in the given space name that matches each description. Sells sweets and pastries. So it's confectioner. Confectioner. Flies an aeroplane. Pilot. 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 Bakes bread. It's baker. 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 Acts in plays or movies. Actor. 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 Always expects good things to happen. Optimist. Optimist. Does not eat meal. Vegetarian. Always expects bad things to happen. Pessimist. Loves her country. Patriot. Invites guests to a party. Host. Sells spectacles. Optician. Next is D. Choose the correct noun to complete each sentence. A bale of dash fell off the cart. So cotton or boxes. It will be cotton. 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 We saw a pride of dash resting near the pond. Lions. A gaggle of dash was swimming in the lake. Geese. The child was lost in the crowd of dash outside the theatre. People. A troop of dash was invited from Australia. Dancers. A troupe of dancers was invited from Australia. The captain could not find an able crew of sailors. Sharif bought a bouquet of flowers for his wife. The carpenter carved a beautiful chest of drawers. The boy plucked a bunch of grapes from the vineyard. The explorer had a fleet of 10 ships. Akhil recognized a few constellations of stars. A congregation of devotees assembled to pray. John ran up the flight of stairs. The suite of Dash booked for us was huge. Rooms. Suman bought a string of pearls for her mother. Correct the mistakes in the use of collective nouns in the following sentence. So they have given the wrong sentence, and what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to rewrite the sentence with correct collective nouns. So a pride of spectators gathered around the winner. A crowd of spectators gathered around the winner. My suitcase rolled down the flight of stairs. My suitcase rolled down the flight of stairs. Did you find a bouquet of keys on this table? Did you find a bunch of keys on this table? The ship had a team of singers aboard. The ship had a choir of singers aboard. Next is, our submarine followed a shoal of geese. Our submarine followed a shoal of fish. Next is, fill in the blanks with the suitable collective nouns from the box. The clerk tripped and dropped the whole sheaf of papers. The little boy was frightened by a colony of ants. A bench of judges sat down to discuss the matter. During our scuba diving session, we saw shoals of fish darting about. The colonel was very strict with his army of soldiers. The police are looking for the notorious gang of robbers. The deer hid behind a clump of trees. The teacher greeted the class of pupils. This big building has suits of offices. After the program, the dancers bowed to the audience. Fill in the blanks with suitable noun from the box. Mr. Palanivel is a member of the board of directors of Ritu Textiles. The plane flew over a range of mountains. A herd of cows stood on the road and caused a traffic jam. A pack of wolves surrounded the rabbits. A panel of experts was appointed to inquire about the accident. A swarm of butterflies descended on the garden. The cast of actors reached the location early in the morning. A murder of crows cawed outside my window. So now we'll learn abstract nouns. Nouns that name ideas, qualities and feelings are called abstract nouns. So abstract nouns are often formed from adjectives. The brave army men fought in the battle. That is adjective. So brave is adjective. Army men fought with a bravery in a battle. So bravery is noun. Abstract noun is friendship, honesty, happiness, like ideas, qualities and feelings. In the second sentence, we change the adjective brave into the abstract noun bravery. Abstract noun can also be formed from verbs. Ramola knows German very well. Ramola's knowledge of German helped us while getting around in Austria. In the second sentence, we change the verb known into the abstract noun knowledge. So, what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is ideas, qualities and feelings. Those are abstract nouns. Given below is a list of nouns. Circle the abstract nouns among them. So, you have to circle. This is emotion. Feelings. Again, this is feelings. Anger. Grief. Abstract noun. Hope. Tolerance. Happiness. Despair. Those are abstract nouns. Change the words in red into abstract nouns and use them to fill in the blanks. The courageous soldier moved ahead. Everyone praised them. Everyone praised the soldier for their courage. We should be kind to animals. Let's show kindness to animals. The teacher was patient with the children. The teacher showed a lot of patience with the children. Lazy people often fail. Some people often fail due to their laziness. Mr. Menon is so gentle that everyone likes him. Mr. Menon's gentleness makes him likable to everyone. Tick the correct abstract nouns from those given in brackets. My teacher gave me a good piece of advice or patience. So, advice. The detective's intelligence, kindness. Help him solve the case. Intelligence. Pride always has a fall. Birbal's wisdom made him famous in Akbar's kingdom. Birbal's wisdom made him famous in Akbar's kingdom. Subhas Chandra Bose showed great patriotism and fought for his country. Honesty is the best policy. Those are abstract nouns. Filling the blanks with verbs and abstract nouns. Arrive, this is verb and we have to fill with abstract nouns. Arrival. Choice, abstract noun. For verb it will come choose. Invention, invent. Invade, invention. Defend, defense. Departure, depart. Discover, discovery. Destruction, destroy. Prevention, prevent. Interfere, interference. Filling the blanks with abstract nouns formed from the words given in bracket. Ambika needed her teacher's dash to leave the class. Permit. So, abstract noun is permission. The doctors waited for arrival of the child's mother. Hatred leads to violence. India achieved its freedom after much struggle. The length of this room is exactly the same as its width. There was a lot of excitement in the classroom where the teacher announced the picnic. Next is possessive forms of nouns. Possessive forms of nouns show बिलोंगिंग और ओनरशिप। पॉजेसिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ नाउन्स क्या हमें शो करती है, या जिसकी चीज़ें है, या फिर जिसका जो भी ओनर होता है, ओनरशिप, या फिर कोई वस्तु अगर हमारी है तो हम उस चीज़ के क्या होते हैं, ओनर होते हैं. सो इट्स कॉल्ड ओनरशिप. वी पुट एन apostrophe after a noun to make its possessive form. हम apostrophe कॉमा डालते हैं क्यों? To make it possessive form. To singular nouns add a apostrophe and s. सिंगुलर नाउन जो होते हैं हमें क्या ऐड करना है उसके लास्ट में? apostrophe कॉमा s. लाइक the dog's food, my brother's football. So dogs को हम क्या करना है? apostrophe s, that is possessive noun. Two plural nouns that end in s and add an apostrophe only. The dog's food, my brother's football. You can see here एपोस्ट्रॉफी यहाँ पे एस के पहले डालना है और प्लूरल नाउन में क्या है? एस के बाद डालना है. टू प्लूरल नाउन दैट डू नॉट एंड इन एस एड एन एपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड एस. जो प्लूरल नाउन एस से ख़त्म नहीं होता है उसे क्या करना है? हमें एस के पहले एपोस्ट्रॉफी डालना है. व्हेन समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू मोर देन वन पर्सन एंड वी मेंशन द नेम्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम, add an apostrophe to the last noun. क्या कहा गया है? जब कोई चीज़ सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नहीं होता है और हमें कुछ और भी लोगों के नाम उसमें ऐड करना होता है, लाइक एग्जाम्पल जाहिद, जुनियाद एंड साहिल बैट. जब हम किसी चीज़ को दर्शा रहे कि ये बैट सिर्फ साहिल या सिर्फ जुनियाद की नहीं है, लेकिन हमें क्या बोलना है? हम ये तीनों की बैट है, राइट? तो हम क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पे? साहिद, जाहिद, जुनियाद एंड साहिल्स बैट्स. सो साहिल्स के यहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रॉफी और एस आएगा. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? नेक्स्ट इज एड एपोस्ट्रॉफीज wherever required in the given sentences. The teacher's table was painted red, which annoyed her very much. So you can see where is the s, so you have to put apostrophe. So teacher's table was painted red, which annoyed her very much. The father's office is near my mother's shop. Fathers and mothers. The woman's dress were very expensive even after the discount. Woman's. Anil is packing Anu, Rima and Sanjay's lunch. You can see जैसा एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि अनिल सिर्फ एक ही अनु या रीमा का टिफ़िन बॉक्स पैक नहीं कर रहा है, वो अनु, रीमा एंड संजय का टिफ़िन बॉक्स पैक कर रहा है. सो इसीलिए क्या किया? इधर अनु, रीमा और संजय के यहाँ पे क्या दिया? एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस. 3 boys' bikes were parked in the driveway. Boys. Where is Harjinder's pencil box? I put on Prajit's hat by mistake.